Hello guys, welcome back. In last part we have seen how to develop this part of the website, and now in the next part we are going to do why choosers section. So let's begin. Our coding, here is our coding file. I just changed I changed this one to, so I am just changing it back to 1.5, and now I'm just going to change the logo font to make it a bit smaller for this part, and yeah, it's just fine. Now let's begin our next part. And in next part what we are having so far is, so you can see our font is smaller. Next part we are going to build this one, so I'm just going to copy this. But first let's come here, close the emails. Let's just come here and close the terminal. There I'm going to define another section with a heading of, it's a heading of bias, and here I'm going to define, first I'm going to define a container, then there would be a title container that would have a h1 with the text why choosers, and then there is a hr. I will show you what the hr mean and what it will do for you. Next should be a wrapper, so it can hold all these items, and then there are the items. So I'm going to type the item thing just, and then I'm going to add the item from our file. So the first one is this icon, and there are all 4 icons we are going to use. So just come back to our index.html. We are back here. Now I'm going to define the image, source images, and images u1. Then there is a text that is h2, and h2 is quality equipments. Copy this, come here, paste. Then there is a p, and I'm going to copy paste this one. Come here, select the view, make the view as wardrobe. So I can copy these items 4 times, not 4, 3 times I can paste them, as they are 4 now. And I'm just going to change the titles and the images as we need. Forced to quit, I accidentally clicked it, so therefore I'm forcing it to quit. Here is the nutritions, the image is 2, and there the image is 3, and here the image is 4. Come here, copy the text from there and paste it. Paste it here. Now come here, copy this last one, copy, and just come here and paste it. Now come to our main page we were preparing so far. I'm going to refresh it, and here we are having all the things. We need to arrange them according to this part. So for that, just come here and let's do the CSS magic. So what the CSS can do in this case for us, first we need to find the image that is used here. So for that, just go in our images file, and this is the contact us. This is not the image, this is not the image, these pngs are definitely not the image. There is the jpg, there is the trainer jpg, and I hope this one was the image. No, this one is also not that image. So this is the image. So let's come here, it's the usbg, and go in the index.html. I'm just going to copy this class, not class, sorry, id, and come here and replace this one with here. I will show you why, but let's first me do it. I'm going to type here the comment ys section, as we are now going to build it for that section, and hash ys. It will have a background url dot images, and image is uspg. Come here, come to our website we are building, refresh, and this is the image we are having. But you must notice one thing, that when we are here, this image is actually sticked, and on scroll it's not changing its position, although the scroll is working on the part, but in our website it's not working. So to fix that, first just come here and add background attachment fixed. Now the things will work according to our will. As you can see, our image is also fixed. Now just work on this one. So for this one, just come here, make the color white, should be white, F, come here, refresh, our text is white now. Now what should we do? I'm going to add a padding of 3 rem. Come here, refresh. As you can see, our things are taking some distance, but still we need to work on it. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this container, especially this one. And how? I'm just going here and typing hash ys dot container. Come here, and here I'm going to define the width 90%, margin auto 2 rem auto, refresh. We are getting closer. And now here I'm going to define the text align center, refresh. Things are centrally aligned now. So first I'm going to work on this title thing. Come here, type the just copy these two title identifier parts, and then title container. So in the title container, let's check our font match the size. No, font size is bit bigger in the other one. So to increase the font size, let's come and type, even not that, I'm going to add the margin first. Margin should be top to bottom to rem, and I think that's it. Even the width should be fit content, and text align should be centered. Come here, refresh. Now you can see it's here. It's not doing anything for us, so I'm going to use it margin auto. So now it's in center. I'm going to increase the font size, and then I will change the color of HR. So I'm going to type H1, and its font size should be of 2.3 rem. Hopefully, refresh. No, it's bit bigger, and I need it to be smaller. So for that, just come here and make it 2 rem. Let's come here, refresh, and it should have a big padding from top. Padding top 3 rem. Come here, refresh. Things are getting closer, but first let's sort out everything and then care about this spacing thing. So just come here and type HR, make its width of 40 px. come here, refresh, not this one especially. So we are having a dot. Actually that line is decreased, so I'm going to make it 50. I'm going to copy this reddish thing. Let's make it a bit lighter. Yeah, just copy this background thing, come here, paste it, declare a height of 10 px and refresh this. So yeah, it is here. I'm going to make the outline and border 0, outline none, yeah, border none and outline none. Come here, refresh. Yeah, now our this one is fine, but I need to increase the width and decrease the height. So make the height 4, refresh. Yeah, to make it center, just go for margin 0 auto, refresh. Now it's in center. Now let's arrange these ones. So for that, just come here, type wrapper and type display flex wrap. Yeah, justify content space between align items center. Yeah, so now you can see things are working fine, but we need to decrease its size. So for that, just come here. I'm actually missing an eye in all these. This is Epson, as I remember. So yeah, now we are on it, and I'm going to declare dot wrapper dot item. And here I'm going to just declare the width of 30 rem. Come here, refresh, and the things are getting closer, so I'm going to make it 20, refresh. Yeah, now the things are a bit more closer, as you can see here. I just need to decrease its width, so I'm going to make it 15. Come here, refresh. The things are fine, and I'm going to make it center rather than having a space between. Center, refresh. Now the things are closer. I need to apply the margin here only. Margin 2 rem. Let's have it. Refresh. Now the things are actually looking similar to this one, but we need to arrange the images properly. So for that, let's come here, and yeah, so the fourth one image is on the second one, so just come here, refresh, and then this one is the dietary, and it's actually 2, and make this one 3. So come here, refresh, yeah, here, and refresh. I hope this is adjusted now. We are having a big margin from top, but just come here in the section part. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. Make the background center. Come here, refresh. Background position, sorry, not the background position. I hope this will work. So far, yeah. And I'm going to make the background attachment fixed. There, refresh. Yeah, now the things are fine for me, and I'm going to make the background size, yes, size, cover. Just come back to our not in this, sorry, yeah, style one. come here, refresh. Yeah, now the things are a bit similar to this one. As I arrive here, it's having the same space, but I need to decrease the padding that I applied so far on this one. I will make it not here, sorry, 3. I will make this one especially 1. Refresh, and even I am going to make it 0. Refresh, and I'm also going to apply a padding on the refer. P padding bottom, rem. Come here, refresh. Yeah, we are almost fine with it now, but I need to adjust them as align center. Yeah, I need to fix them. As you can see now, here the text is smaller for the H1, so for that just come here, select item, make the H2 font size should be of 16px. I hope so. Come here, refresh. It's a bit more smaller, so to fix that just come to 1.3 rem. Yeah, now the things are fine. I need to only create a margin between them, so here, come here and create a margin. Top to bottom should be off. I think 1 rem is a bit more, but yeah, top to bottom, and 0 left to right. So left to right, yeah. Now come here and see it here. It is not having that much difference anymore. It is only having the difference with the HR. So to fix HR, I'm just going to make the margin top minus 2px. Margin actually works in the minus, but padding doesn't. So therefore just come here, refresh. Now you can see it's adjusted. Come here, make it 0.4, refresh. Yeah, now the distance is fine here as well, and the things are also settled down. And what if I decrease the screen size? It's working fine so far. So now, yeah, now just come here and see what's the next. In next video we will cover this part, so be there with me and see you in the next part. You can find the code for this whole website in the link in the video description, so visit that. Thank you so much for being with me.